Donkey, donkey, donkey. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Donkey, get out of my swamp. No, I like to do the homeworks. Can I do the homeworks? Fine. Let's see what we have. Warning. Not actually gonna do homeworks. Is this literally the only homework? Okay, so blah 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 blah. I think I'm done. Is that other homeworks? No, that's actually just an optional paper. Come on. Let's see. Here's some real stuff. Ooh, good magnet. Ooh, box. Is it my birthday? No. Are we moving? Yes. What is all this stuff? This stuff we're keeping. What is that? A fish. Are we taking the fish? Obviously, we're not leaving the fish in an apartment where the next people have to come in and take care of it, even though if they probably didn't want a fish. Okay. Is this an abandoned apartment? Because that's a knife with cake. Is there any cake left? No, that was the last cake. Come on, no cake for Donkey. Wham! Wham! I want some cake. Wham! Shut up, shut up, shut up! Jesus. Okay, so let's see if there's any abandoned food in it. Wait, is it the new owner? Hi, are you the new homeowner?
Oh, no.
Hi, are those the new dog? Are those dogs staying here? Are they in crumpled abandoned apartment? This is an abandoned apartment, right?
What's this thing on the floor? And why can't I pick it up?
What thing?
I don't know. Can you get that off the floor and put it in the trash? I can't get it off the floor for some reason. Okay, I gotta go pick up food. Thank you.
Hey, it's a dog. Are you going to be left here in the crumplings? No, the dog is not going to be left here in the crumplings of the abandoned apartment. Okay, Donkey says that he wants to look in the abandoned refrigerator. Okay, let's see what's in the abandoned refrigerator. They left all this good stuff.
Actually, there's an abandoned refrigerator outside of the dog park. I wish they'd take the door off because it's not safe.
Let's go find that abandoned refrigerator. So where did you say the abandoned refrigerator was?
In the dog park.
Where's the dog park?
Right in front of this.
Oh, I'll go look for the...
Do not get inside because it'll smell like dog. That's why they're dangerous. The abandoned refrigerators, they're supposed to take the doors off. I'm sure they're going to take the doors off.
I'm not going to go inside it. Donkey. Put Donkey inside it. No, let's not put Donkey inside it. Why not? That's very dangerous. So we're recording this. Donkey, shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay? It's like not even 7 a.m. yet, and you feel the urge of singing in an apartment? Ooh. Is that a skeleton? Yeah, he was smothered inside the refrigerator. Oh. Whoa. That's slippery. It's an abandoned refrigerator. This is the closest I actually feel safe to it. Can you put Donkey inside? No. No! Oh, donkey. No, you probably have dog crap on here. No, it's donkey crap. God, I wish I could fly. What? Nothing. Let's just keep moving. Well, this is from behind. There's probably, if there's stuff inside, which I am not going to risk my life just to see if there's stuff inside an abandoned refrigerator. There's stuff inside. It's probably not cold. I'm going to see if that's inside. I'm going to look for cat. Oh. We were checking out the abandoned refrigerator. Well, I guess we can end this video now.